Hey, what's going on YouTubers? It's your boy Altered Tech back again with a new video, and in today's episode we will be doing a quick unboxing of the Apple AirPods. Now actually this is not even for me, this is actually for the Kardashian, but since she doesn't have a YouTube channel I will be doing the unboxing for her. Alright, so it's designed by Apple in California. Let's see what we got. Alright, so let's see what we got. We have the AirPods. This seems to be the instruction manual, and I guess this might be the warranty information, safety information. I'll just put this back over here. Okay, so these are the Apple AirPods. I never thought I would actually be purchasing one of these things. When it first came out, I actually thought these were like pretty, just stupid. I wasn't a big fan of the design, but over time, I guess everyone just pretty much just bought on, and I got into the hype. Okay, so it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. We have a little button over here. We have a USB Type-C port over here for charging, and I guess this is the hinge, or actually, oh okay. So my first impression so far, it's pretty cool. Opens up pretty easily. We have our two AirPods. So these are actually magnetized. So if I just pull this out and drop it, it pulls back down. So far, seems pretty cool. I do have to admit, we do have this Tic Tac type container. Okay, so here's my iPhone 8 from Simple Mobile. You guys knew I got that from Simple Mobile if you guys saw my earlier videos. Okay, so number one, you do have to have iOS 10 or later. And as we begin, first all you gotta do is make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. And step number two, all you gotta do is open up the case and hold it near your unlocked iPhone and then follow the instructions. That's pretty simple. And step number three, just start listening. So you should be connected. Okay, so I'll go ahead and unlock my iPhone. So that's unlocked. So now we have the AirPods. All I gotta do is pretty much open it next to the iPhone, about 2 inches away. Okay, so we hit connect. So okay, it actually tells you your battery percentage of your AirPods and the case. So the case is at 77%, and your AirPods is at 84%. Awesome. So I hit done. So I guess I'm good to go. Let me just go ahead and pull these out. So once you pull them out, there's a little light. It goes from orange to green. I'm not sure what that means. I guess that means it's connected or in use. So I'll just close this real quick. Alright, for these headphones, let's check them out. So it seems we do have, looks like what, speakers from here and here. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Looks like normal AirPods, but this seems to be a little bit more longer. Many of you guys may know. And okay, so we have the R for right side, and for the bottom we do have this metallic finish around, and it does seem like we have some speaker grills over here in the middle as well. So I see some speaker grills over here, and over here, so I'm guessing the audio should be pretty good. Alright, so now we have our AirPods ready and set up. Now all we gotta do is pretty much test them out. So I will be doing that, and I'll give you guys a quick update on how it turns out and my thoughts. As an added bonus feature, I'm actually going to show you how to connect your AirPods with your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or even your iMac. Now the procedure is pretty much the same thing, but just slightly different. First off, you're going to have to take your AirPods, you have to put them back inside the case, and once they're inside the case, I want you to go ahead into your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, click on the Apple icon on the top left corner, open up System Preferences. I want you to make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and once it's turned on, I want you to go back to your AirPods over here, and I want you to open them, and once it's opened, I want you to hold the button on the back for a couple of seconds. Hold it until the AirPods actually show up on the menu, and once they show up, I want you to click it and click connect. This is a quick unboxing video from Altered Tech. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a great Friday as well. Peace.